Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to make calls on Rebtel in 2025. You see, Rebtel allows you to make low-cost international calls from Nigeria and other countries using mobile data, Wi-Fi, or local access numbers. And here's how to call using Rebtel. We have the first method where you call using the Rebtel app for internet calls. You don't install the Rebtel app and for Android devices, download it from Google Play Store. For iPhone devices, download it from Apple App Store. Next step is to register and verify your number. Open the app and sign up with your Nigerian phone number or your phone number. Confirm via SMS verification. If it fails, try a different network. Then once you're through with the verification, next step you're going to take is to add credit. You can use pay as you go or subscription method. So you go to balance in the app, tap on add credit, and then you go to the payment option. So you can choose debit card or PayPal or virtual dollars card to choose your payment method. Once you've chosen it, for example, let's say you choose debit card, but it's not all cards that work, so it has to be Visa or MasterCard. If you're choosing PayPal, you can use PayPal to, if your card fails, you can link to your PayPal account. Then if the internet doesn't work, you can use the virtual dollar cards like Cheaper Cash and Gray. Then step 4 is to make a call. Open the app and tap on call. Enter the national number you want to call, and then do not forget to start with plus and the number. For example, +1 for USA and +44 for UK. Then you have to press the call button. The website will connect via internet or local number. Now, if the person you are also calling, the person you are calling also uses Rebtel, the call will be free. 90% sure it will be free. So the second method you can use is to call via local access number. Here, no internet is needed. If you don't have data, Rebtel sometimes assigns a local Nigerian number to call first, save international charges. Don't get Nigerian number in whatever country you are to assign you a local number to call first. Now, how does this work? You open Rebtel and you find the contact you want to call. Instead of an internet call, Rebtel will show you a local number. Dial a number for your phone. It will connect you internationally at low rates. Now, this feature depends on the availability in the country you are in. The next one is troubleshooting call issues. Now, if your call does not go through, you can check internet connection, use Wi-Fi or 5G. Ensure you have enough balance and try restarting the app. And if your verification fails, just try a different SIM or contact Rebtel support. Now, here are some pro tips for best call quality. Use headphones for clearer audio. Call during off-peak hours for better connection. And if call drops, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now, if this doesn't work for you, Rebtel doesn't work for you, an alternative app, let's say you're stuck in the verification process, which most people are, you can use an alternative app that is like TalkU, DingTong, or Skype, and they are reliable. TalkU works within Nigeria, DingTong has free US UK numbers for calling, and Skype is reliable for international calls. So yes, you can use Rebtel in whatever country you are. Don't forget you can use the internet or the local access number to call, and you can ensure you have balance and good network. And if the issues persist, you can try alternative apps.